Most wireless earbuds try to prevent ambient noises out of your music, podcasts, or phone conversations. Some models, particularly those with active noise cancellation, that's ANC, are exceptionally good at this. Others, particularly those that do not use a silicone tip to seal your ear canal, do not block nearly as much sound. But we've never seen a pair of earbuds that were purposefully built to let in the outside world, which is what sets Sony's $180 LinkBuds apart. Their donut-shaped speakers let both desired and undesired noises to travel freely into your ears while still delivering clear and well-balanced music. The LinkBuds may appear strange at first sight, but they're an intriguing alternative to Apple's third-generation AirPods. They're especially suitable for Android users seeking for a set of lightweight, comfortable buds that don't require you to insert tips into your ears. So in this video, I'll go through the unique features of Sony LinkBuds. Therefore, before we begin, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and activate notifications so that you can be notified when I publish new videos. So guys, here's what it's like to use them. Firstly, it's built to play all day, comfortable, and fit. According to Sony, the idea behind the LinkBuds was to create an always-on device to connect your online and physical lives. I'm not sure what it implies, but the concept is that these buds should be comfortable to wear all day without cutting you off from the outside world. This is when the ring comes into play. As previously said, they are open earphones similar to the normal AirPods and hence allow ambient noise in. However, because they lack a stem, they are more similar to Samsung's Galaxy Buds, live earbuds commonly known as the Beans. And while not quite kidney-shaped, they are elongated. They are available in two colors, white and dark gray, and Sony claims that both the cover and the buds are made of recycled plastic, giving them a speckled appearance, which may be a first for earbuds. I'll get into whether I think they're a decent buy at $180, but they're around the same price as the third-generation AirPods and Galaxy Buds live when they originally came out. The one significant benefit they have over both the third-generation AirPods and the Galaxy Buds Live is that they are engineered to stay in your ears more securely. I was able to obtain an excellent fit with the Buds Live and an acceptable fit with the AirPods 3, but I've heard a lot of others who had trouble getting the Buds Live to remain in their ears. Even with the newest model, not everyone can obtain a secure fit with the AirPods, which is why there's so many AirPods wing attachments on Amazon. I had to acquire the AirPods Pro since the AirPods didn't actually remain in my ears, is a complaint I've heard several times. The LinkBuds have 5 various sizes of fins, or arc supporters as Sony refers to them. The standard size is medium, but there are also extra small, small, big, and extra large options. The big and extra large sizes work great for me, and the fin wedges under your ear's top ridge and helps keep the bud in place. I wouldn't say these are as secure as the Beats Fit Pro, but they are arguably more comfortable, especially if you don't enjoy having your ear tip pressed to your ear. It's pretty self-explanatory how these buds fit in your ear, but the first app has a tutorial that teaches you how they're intended to fit. What's remarkable is how the ring rests in your ear. It's half concealed, so no one can see it. From the outside, it seems like you're wearing ordinary earbuds. They may not fit everyone's ears completely, but I found them to be really pleasant to wear, and I'd occasionally forget I was wearing them when I wasn't playing music. I made little modifications to how they rested in my ear from time to time, and the position of the rings in your ear can have a minor impact on sound quality. Getting it right over your canal and firing the speaker directly into it helped. The companion software for iOS and Android allow you to fine-tune the sound. However, adjusting the EQ setting does not significantly alter the sound profile. Engaging bass enhancement, for example, merely adds a glimmer of bass. These make use of Sony's V1 integrated processor, which is a Bluetooth system on a chip, or SoC. It's Bluetooth 5.2, and the LinkBuds, like the Sony WF-1000XM4, don't enable multi-point Bluetooth pairing. That means you can't attach the buds to 2 devices at the same time, such as your phone and computer, or answer an incoming phone call when the buds are paired to your computer. Sony claims the earbuds contain 12mm drivers and are splash-proof to IPX4. I took some pictures of them in the rain and was concerned that I had gotten them too wet, but they functioned great once I dried them out, so you can use them for workouts and runs, and they did remain in my ears as I ran with them. These are not noise cancellation earphones, and there is no transparency option because they're naturally transparent. When you pause your music, it sounds as if you aren't wearing headphones. Secondly, it has cool extra features. The LinkBuds do offer a few more features, some of which are rather spectacular. They have ear detection sensors, which is a more usual feature for buds in this price range. That is, when you remove a bud out of your ear, your music automatically pauses and returns when you replace the bud. Yes, to the podcast listeners, you can use a single bud for audio listening, while the other charges in the case. The touch controls on the earbuds work perfectly, but what's great is that you can tap on your face right in front of your ear, instead of a bud if you wish. The function is known as Wide Area Tap by Sony, and it can be turned off or on via the companion app. It takes 2 touches to halt music and 3 taps to proceed to the next track. You can also assign taps to volume control. The LinkBuds also have Sony's Speak to Chat function, which is also featured in the WF-1000 XM4 buds and the WH-1000 XM4 over-ear headphones. That's the functionality here. When you start chatting to someone, your music immediately stops so you can talk. After you finish talking, your music restarts around 15 seconds later. If you frequently talk to yourself or your dogs, you should disable the function in the app. When you have it turned on, it consumes somewhat more battery life. The battery life is claimed to run up to 5.5 hours at moderate volume settings, which isn't great, but the case does come with a number of additional charges and a rapid charge option that offers you 90 minutes of playback time after only 10 minutes of charging. Apple's spatial audio virtual surround sound capability, which works with movies and TV shows in addition to music, is included in the 3rd generation AirPods. The LinkBuds, like the WF-1000 XM4 and the WH-1000 XM4, support Sony surround sound audio format 360 reality audio. Tidal, Amazon Music, Deezer, and Nugs.net are among the streaming providers that offer collections of tunes recorded in the new format. Finally, the LinkBuds support Google Fast Pair, making it simple to connect them to an Android phone. Thirdly, top-notch for voice calling. While Sony's WF-1000 XM4 buds are superior in terms of sound quality, the LinkBuds are superior in terms of voice calls. Sony won't specify how many mics the LinkBuds have. I saw only one external mic on each bud, but the firm says it enhanced the noise reduction algorithm, and callers said my speech sounded clear with little background noise in noisy streets. There's only one problem. Unlike noise isolation earphones, you won't be able to hear the person you're calling as well, as they may have a lot of noise around you. On the other hand, because you can hear your own voice while you speak, you won't wind up speaking too loudly. So, surprise, these earbuds rank well in terms of voice calling performance. I'm only hoping Sony adds the same updated algorithm to the WF-1000 XM4 with a firmware upgrade. Lastly, the quality sound for open buds. The Sony WF-1000 XM4 open earphones are nice, but not as good as the WF-1000 XM4. While there is ample bass, it does not go very deep, even with bass boost engaged. Some folks won't mind, but if you're liking bass, they might not be enough. They also fall short of the 3rd generation AirPods, which have superior sound than their 2nd generation counterparts. Sony's LinkBuds produce clearer, more accurate sound than both the Buds Live and the AirPod 3. Some individuals may believe they play loudly enough, while others may not, which may make a tremendous difference outside. Volume levels can be affected by the shape of your ear and how the speaker ring sits in it. Sony is targeting Gen Z with these and does not want to damage the hearing of the younger generation. So in my opinion, Sony's LinkBuds are in a league of its own by providing a set of wireless earbuds that eliminate the sound barrier between you and the outside world. They are a fantastic solution for people who want to tune into their music without tuning out everything else. Thank you for your time, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification button so you don't miss out on upcoming tech gadget reviews. Till next time, goodbye.